In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in on Zoho People. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to accurately mark attendance is crucial for both record keeping and communication with your team. Let's dive in and explore the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First off, you'll need to navigate to Zoho People. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Zoho People URL, logging in with your account credentials if prompted. Make sure you have your details on hand for a swift login. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be brought to the main dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your HR management needs. When you're on the main dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on Attendance. You'll usually find this option either on the sidebar or within a menu at the top, depending on your customized layout. Clicking Attendance takes you directly to the section where you can manage your work hours, track time, and of course check in or out as required. Now on to one of the key actions, clicking on Check-in. This button or option will often appear prominently once you're in the attendance section. The purpose of checking in is to officially log your start time for the workday. This action not only feeds into your personal timesheets, but also ensures your status is updated within the system for managers or team leads who may need to coordinate tasks. Always make sure the time displayed matches your actual start time to avoid discrepancies in attendance records. If you return to the home area, you'll discover there's an alternative way to check in. It's handy to know this because accessing multiple entry points can be a time saver on busy days, or if you're still getting used to the interface. From the home section, find the check-in option. Even if you're already familiar with the attendance area, having this second route offers quick access without needing to navigate through multiple screens. Finally, after following these steps, the process ends with confirming your check-in. Make sure that your check-in records have been correctly entered, whether you're doing so from the attendance section or the home page. An accurate log not only helps track your work hours for payroll purposes, but also reflects your availability to your colleagues and managers. This is all you need to know to efficiently check in using Zoho People. Remember that regular and correct attendance logging is key to maintaining not just your individual records, but also overall organizational efficiency. Take a moment each day to check in correctly, and it'll pay off in ensuring seamless operations on the HR front. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to explore Zoho's help resources or reach out to your HR team for support.